What's going on, guys? It has been 8 months since we purchased this property, and when we did, it was absolutely trashed, in disrepair, under rented, in a really bad place. And now we're giving you the 8-month update where it is completely stabilized and crushing it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, I'm gonna run you through everything, where we started, where we ended with this project, and I'm so excited about it. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, let me know in the comments, because a lot of times I'm just walking you through, showing you the numbers and all the fun stuff with these properties, and I'd love to know what you think. Also, we have the CDS Grand Teton Retreat. This is my event. It's my favorite one of the whole year. It fills faster than any of the others, and a good chunk of it is already filled with previous attendees, but that's gonna be August 29th through August 31st. We've got boating, great speakers, great food, and it's gonna be a blast. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the description. You can join the wait list. We're still reaching out to previous attendees, but then we'll start working through the wait list from top to bottom. And so if you are interested, make sure you check that out. All right, guys, we're still gonna have consistent work to put into this property. But first of all, this grass was abandoned, it had no sprinkler systems, and it was trash. We'll see if we can show you some before footage. We came in, we put in a full new sprinkler system, re-landscaped. We redid the driveway with gravel, so it looks phenomenal. And this unit was vacant, 2 in the basement were vacant, all of the other units were unrented, and we're gonna show you this house back here in the back. I am beyond excited about where it's at, but we're gonna get to that in a minute. So just to give you a quick walk around, there are only a couple things that I said I would do that it looks like haven't been done. Some of these extra wires we need to get rid of, but the brick building looks great, the landscape is in, the tenants are happy, and we were able to get the rents up to $1,100 on the new units. Now, some of these others, we're still slowly creeping up, but in total, we are already at, I think, 7,800, 7,900 in total of gross rents on this unit, which is incredible. From a cash on cash perspective, this property is crushing it. It's everything that I'd hoped it would be and more. Now, I wanna walk you around to the back. When we get this completely stabilized, a lot of the tenants we didn't wanna remove, they've been here forever. So we've been fixing anything they needed, and we've slowly been bumping rents to market. We will never bump those all the way to 1,100 until we go in and do full renovations if they leave. And a lot of the tenants are just ecstatic with what we've done to the exterior. So we've been able to bump them. I think they're at like 950 across the board. We removed this fence here. We added in this parking area so it's much more organized. And then we fenced off the extra land, which is the next piece of this puzzle. I'm deciding between selling it or getting something approved with the city to be able to build new units in the back. But I want to come and show you how this looks. You can see down here in the back, we've got grass that's finally coming in nice. It's green. It looks incredible compared to how it was. One of the tenants has kids, got a little playground back here, and all of the tenants are ecstatic with where things are at. The other last piece is at some point, I want this to just look nicer. It's a little bit of an eyesore with how it's structured. And so we're gonna come, looks like we gotta get this rain gutter fixed. But all 8 units are full and it is crushing it. The grass is green and I'm really excited. Now over here, this was a very, very fun project. This was completely abandoned and destroyed. We'll run the clip here and show you guys a little bit what it looked like before.
Starting off strong.
Yeah, I'll be honest, every time, that's new. Here. So I'm gonna be honest, every time I get to this point, I usually decide not to go in. I might just send the videographer in without us. What do you think, Tanner? No. So you can see this is a sketchy piece of property. You want to come in and take a nice long look. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Come look at this kitchen here. It is nasty, nasty. Oh, yuck. Did you just put your head in that? Okay. So you can see, yeah, the drywall's all torn up. I don't want to spend a ton of time in here. You can show in there just how nasty that is. Over here. Now, I'm sure there are a lot of you right now saying, Chandler, what on earth are you gonna do with this? This is where we got a little creative and made this deal a big win. All right, now it's time to take you guys inside. So if you look at the kitchen, awesome countertops, cabinets, we've got new fridge, new oven, new fixtures, and it just looks phenomenal. The floors, these I love because they can handle all kinds of water, dings, dents, and it's just a really premium product for people that are gonna get to live here. If you follow me back here, you can see this turned out great. We've got 3 bedrooms on this side. So we've got 1 bedroom here. We have another bedroom here. And just to give you guys an idea, if you come in here, just the setup we have with these closets, everything is new, everything is finished, and this place is literally unrecognizable. The other thing that I love that we were able to add is we put in a washer and dryer for both sides so that they've got access to that. We have the bathroom right here that I think just turned out so nice. And then in all of these bedrooms, we also included fans. So there's lots of good airflow. You can see again, awesome closet space. And this is gonna be the master. This is a very large bedroom. You could have room for a couch here if you wanted, and your bed over here. And so for a 3-bedroom apartment rental with your own front yard for this side, in this location, kind of in the country, but still close to town, I just think it turned out so great. Now, if you come over here, this is set up as a home with a mother-in-law suite. So on this other side, again, you've got your washer and dryer right here. These close up, but then look at this kitchen. It's so sick. You've got everything. You've got tons of space for a kitchen table over here, and then your full kitchen with extra cabinetry on this side, which I think is so awesome. And then right here is where the bathroom is for this side. We'll let you peek in there. Again, just really great finishes. And then if you step down here, this is where originally we first walked in to what I would call an absolute hellhole. I mean, this place was a joke. Now this is gonna be a nice, long, big living room. Space for a TV there if you want a couch here, a hangout area here. And back here, you've got one of the bedrooms. And then if you come over to this other side, you guys can tell I'm just giddy because I think this turned out just so awesome. Here's the other bedroom, tons of closet space. As you can see, it was nasty. There were homeless people living in it. Nothing was going right. We have worked hard to turn this property into something that is awesome. We put in new landscape on the exterior, repainted, redid the entire interior, and now what was completely destroyed is now being rented in total between the 2 tenants for $2,600 between the front and the back. The front tenant, they are awesome. They've moved in, they're all decorated for the 4th. You can see this is all new grass, so it looks great. Landscape looks good. The back tenant, we'll come walk you around back and give you a look there. All right, so this is the back lawn. This is where the tenants park. And this is just awesome. Backyard, we've got a tenant there, a tenant there. I'm so excited with how this property came together. So just to run you through the numbers, as you can see, this looks awesome. We've got 2,600 in rents here, 7,900 over there that will eventually become closer to 9,000 once we've slowly trickled up and tenants go out that we haven't left yet. But even with where we're currently at, that puts us at $10,500 in gross rents that are coming in. And I would call that very well stabilized for here, especially considering we now have a lot in the back that we can sell or add on. And this before, I think in total was bringing in like $5,600 in rents. So seeing the turnaround on this has been incredible. I think if we were to turn around and sell this today after purchasing it for, I think we originally bought it for 900 and something thousand. I think now it's easily worth 1.5 million plus with the work we've done, maybe even more. And that's not including the land value in the back that I think we could sell for another 200,000 or build on. So I am so excited to see how this project has come together. And I think the biggest thing about this project is it was purchased right. We had good money to put into it. Right now, I also have the lot lines changed. So I stole some of the yard up until where the fence was from where it is. That's gonna give us room for more units to be built in the back. It'll up the value for what we can sell on. And now I'm in a place where I can cash out refinance this. Now, I think all in all, we were into this whole renovation, maybe $70,000 or $80,000. This was essentially free, and I'm gonna be able to refinance this specific property, I'm hoping in the realm of $300,000 to $350,000. Right now, I don't need to refinance it. I don't need the cash, but that's another really, really cool play with this, is being able to access cash and move it into other deals. We're gonna wait to do that to see what my plans are for the land in the back. But from where we started and where we're at now in an 8-month window, I am beyond excited with how this asset is performing. Last thing, we're down to a little over 2 months out from the CDS Grand Teton Retreat. It's gonna be August 29th through August 31st. We have phenomenal speakers, food, experiences, and this is my favorite event of the entire year because you come here to Idaho Falls, Idaho. We're gonna walk you through current renovations. We're gonna show you how to run the numbers, how to analyze properties, how to close deals, and most importantly, how to organize your whole life. We have some great speakers coming in, and I'm just so excited. We're also gonna be boating, going up to the cabins, going to Jackson, having a ton of fun. So if you're interested in that, right now we're just going back to previous attendees. We have over 100 previous attendees, and we're hoping to fill the majority of the event with them. But if you wanna join the wait list, if you've never come to an event, you can join the wait list below and we'll reach out to you. If you do get reached out to, you've got a shot to come at this next event. The reason they fill so quickly is we hold them to just 40 spots because that's what makes them such a blast. So you can click the link down in the description if you're interested in that. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to remember to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.